I am sentences. Please remember to like and subscribe.
I am Jack.
I am Jill.
I am Dash.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am tired.
I am sad.
I am hot.
I am cold.
I am bored.
I am busy.
I am sweaty.
I am funny. I am sleepy.
I am cute.
I am honest.
I am kind.
I am positive.
I am intelligent.
I am hardworking.
I am responsible.
I am smiling.
I am friendly.
I am excited. I am angry.
I am worried.
I am scared.
I am calm.
I am annoyed. I am joyful.
I am anxious.
I am relaxed.
I am eating.
I am drinking.
I am dancing.
I am sitting.
I am standing.
I am crying.
I am laughing. I am helping.
I am walking. I am jogging.
I am running.
I am sleeping.
I am working.
I am playing.
I am cooking.
I am reading. I am painting.
I am biking.
Enjoying this free educational content? Please remember to like and subscribe.